Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make butter with milk cream. First, select a high-quality heavy cream, ideally with at least 35% milk fat. Chill your cream to between 50 and 60 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal churning. You will need a stand mixer with a whisk attachment, a food processor, or even a simple jar for shaking. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and successful butter-making process. Now let's churn. Pour your chilled cream into your chosen device. Begin whipping or shaking. The cream will first thicken to whipped cream, then become grainy, and finally separate into distinct yellow butter solids and a milky liquid, which is buttermilk. This transformation usually takes 5 to 10 minutes with a mixer, but can take longer by hand. Keep going until the separation is clear. Once separated, carefully drain all the buttermilk from your butter solids. You can save the buttermilk for baking. Next, rinse the butter under very cold water, kneading it gently. Continue rinsing and kneading until the water runs completely clear, indicating all the buttermilk has been removed. This crucial step prevents your butter from spoiling quickly and ensures a pure, fresh taste. Finally, it's time to season and store your homemade butter. If desired, add salt to taste. A good starting point is about 1/4 teaspoon per stick of butter. Mix it in thoroughly. Form your butter into sticks, a block, or press it into decorative molds. Store your fresh butter in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay delicious for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.